Today, I am reviewing Apple AirTag 4-pack. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever misplaced your keys, lost your luggage while traveling, or spent too much time trying to find your backpack or wallet, Apple has a small but incredibly smart solution, the Apple AirTag 4-pack. It's designed to make losing your belongings a thing of the past. In this detailed review, let's talk about why these tiny trackers are so impressive, how they work, and why they've become a must-have accessory for Apple users in 2025. At first glance, the AirTag looks incredibly simple. It's a small, round, and sleek tracker that feels very premium, as you'd expect from Apple. But beneath that clean design lies some seriously advanced technology. Each AirTag uses Apple's powerful Find My network, which connects to hundreds of millions of Apple devices around the world. This means even if you lose something miles away, chances are someone's iPhone, iPad, or Mac will help you find it, all anonymously and securely. Setting up the AirTag couldn't be easier. You just bring it close to your iPhone or iPad, and with a single tap, it automatically connects. Within seconds, it's ready to use, and you can assign it to an item, whether it's your keys, your wallet, your backpack, or your luggage. You can name each AirTag to match what it's attached to, making it simple to keep your stuff organized and trackable from your device. One of the coolest features is precision finding, powered by Apple's Ultra Wideband technology. If you have a compatible iPhone, like the iPhone 11 or later, you'll see exact on-screen directions that lead you straight to your lost item. The iPhone guides you with arrows, distance indicators, and even haptic feedback. It literally feels like a mini treasure hunt. Whether your keys slipped behind the couch or your bag is in another room, precision finding leads you right to it with incredible accuracy. But what if you lose something far from home, say at the airport or in another city? That's where Apple's Find My network truly shines. With hundreds of millions of Apple devices silently helping out, your AirTag can be located through any nearby iPhone, even if it's not yours. You'll get notified when it's found, and you can see its location on the map inside the Find My app. This massive, secure network is what makes AirTags far more reliable than traditional Bluetooth trackers. Another useful feature is Lost Mode. If you realize you've lost an item, you can activate Lost Mode in the Find My app. When someone finds your AirTag, their iPhone or any NFC-enabled phone can tap it and see your contact information if you choose to share it, so they can return your item. You can even share your AirTag with up to 5 people, which is great for items that multiple people use, like a family car key or shared luggage. The AirTag also has a built-in speaker that plays a sound to help you locate your item nearby. You can ask Siri something like, "Hey Siri, where are my keys?" and the AirTag will start playing a sound so you can find it by ear. It's quick, loud, and surprisingly handy for those moments when your stuff seems to vanish into thin air. When it comes to durability, Apple designed the AirTag to last. It's IP67 water and dust resistant, meaning it can handle splashes, spills, and even being dropped outdoors without issue. The battery lasts for over a year, and when it finally runs out, you can easily replace it with a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, the same kind used in many small electronics. Privacy is another big win for AirTags. All communication with the Find My network is end-to-end encrypted and completely anonymous. Your location data and history aren't stored on the AirTag or shared with anyone, not even Apple. This gives users peace of mind, knowing that while they're tracking their items, no one's tracking them. What's truly amazing is how seamlessly AirTags integrate into Apple's ecosystem. If you already use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, it feels completely natural to add AirTags to your workflow. You can see all your tracked items in the Find My app alongside your Apple devices, so everything important in your life is just a tap away. In everyday life, the AirTag 4-pack makes perfect sense. You can attach one to your keychain, slip one into your wallet, put one in your luggage, and leave one in your backpack. It's also great for parents who want to keep track of their kids' school bags or for travelers who want peace of mind knowing where their suitcases are. Overall, the Apple AirTag 4-pack delivers the perfect mix of simplicity, smart design, and powerful tracking features. It's easy to use, secure, and incredibly effective at helping you find lost items fast. Whether you're constantly misplacing things or just want extra protection for your valuables, this is one of the most practical Apple accessories you can own.